it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you are having a really great Easter break if you are in the UK. It's bank holiday, we all like a bank holiday, and because it's a bank holiday I thought I would do a really quick, really easy video for me. It's definitely really quick and really easy for me because what I have got is I finally got round to making the make and takes that I was allowed to make at OnStage. I say allowed to. We were all encouraged to make it OnStage. It gets fairly frenetic at OnStage at the local events because we're kind of trying to craft whilst we're getting cups of coffee and eating our lunch and stuff. So it does tend to get slightly frenetic. And I have to say I tend to just make sure I get done what I have to get done in order to be able to make the project when I get home. So this is the first project I am going to share with you, and it's from the, I want to say Sail Away Suite, but of course I can't remember all of the names yet. And this is my version of it. We didn't have the die set that was used here. We've had issues with customs and stuff, so we didn't have the die set, but that's fine. I've kind of made it up. So we've got watercolour paper, a wash on the back, some stamping, which is actually stamped off, so that's soft suede stamped off, and then some lovely stamping and punching. This is a new stamp. Thought I'd share it with you. And this lighthouse, which is gorgeous, I just fussy cut. It's not that difficult to cut out, so the fact that I didn't have the dies wasn't a major issue for me. And then this is lovely baker's twine, which is in Sahara sand, and I want to say Night of Navy, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And these charms are so cute. They've got the anchors and ship's wheels, so really cute. So that's just a little note card and envelope. Then the next one is Bird Ballad. This is just gorgeous. And this is my version of the project. Now this is the American sized card, so it's 8.5 by 11 cut down, so 4.25 by 5.5, whereas this is an A6 card, which is roughly 4 1/8 by 6 inches ish, so it's sort of 4 by 6, so it's longer and it's squished. It's longer and thinner rather than short and fat, but gorgeous paper. And this is the back with these little cute footprints, so really sweet. This new vanilla lace, which although it's in very vanilla, I don't think it matters that it's against white. I think it's just such a lovely soft colour. So that's that one. And next we have got this is the Stamp Your Art Out suite, I think. Again, I haven't got all of the names yet. It's something to do with art and craft and that stuff. So this is the rickrack from the ribbon border punch, and then just some simple stamping and blends. So really lovely. And this is tone-on-tone stamping with Calypso Coral buttons on Calypso Coral cardstock, so a really cute little card there. Then we have this, I think is probably one of my favourite suites, and can I remember what it's called? No, not yet. But it's based on Monet prints. Now, I nearly had it. No, it's gone. Anyway, there's this gorgeous floral that goes with it all, and these cute little centres for flowers, which almost look like they've got pollen on them. I don't know if you can see those, but they're really cute. And this great twine, which actually comes with another ribbon, which of course I won't be able to find at this precise moment. She says, trying to find it. No, can't find it. But it comes with a ribbon as well, so it's a duo. And of course I will be doing ribbon and paper shares when we are able to order everything. And then finally, this is a very special make and take, and this is something that is coming very soon. In fact, it's coming in less than a month. There is going to be a special release, one time only as far as the European market is concerned, paper pumpkin kit, which you can order with an ordinary order. So you don't have to do a subscription. In the US, this is part of a subscription service, but in the UK and other parts of Europe, it will be a one-off. You can just order it off the website and add it to a standard order, and it will be just £20, and these are the sorts of cards that you can make with it. And let me pop this next to it, because it goes with the Bird Ballad suite, and this is the Bird Ballad suite. It's called Hugs from Shelley. Shelley Gardner was one of the co-founders of Stampin' Up, and this is a set that she has helped design. It is really cute, and you get everything you need in the kit. So it comes pre-packaged, it comes with an ink spot, it comes with stamps. The only thing it doesn't come with are blocks. So if you don't have a clear block, you would need one. But other than that, everything you need comes in it, in the box. And it's all beautifully packaged, and the box front is just amazing. I'm going to have information about it on my website, and the link to that is immediately below. So do have a look. And as I say, the 15th of May is the key date. It is being released to everyone at the same time, so demonstrators can't pre-order it, but everyone will be able to order it as a part of an ordinary order on the 15th of May. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little run through of the things that we get up to at OnStage. I still have to do my OnStage swaps in close-up, which I'm hoping I will get done for later this week. It may actually end up as next week, but they will certainly be coming very soon. But thank you very much indeed for joining me again today. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope it gives you a good sneak peek into what's coming in the new annual catalogue. Not long to wait now, but of course don't forget that the... Oh, look at this envelope. Did I show you the envelope? It's gorgeous. And the lining, I mean, it's not lined, it's printed, but look at that. Isn't that just divine? So yes, don't forget the last chance items. Things will have started to be discounted, so do have a look. But if they are being discounted, it's because the stocks are probably going to run out very soon. Or sorry, rather, because they've been discounted, they will run out very soon. But particularly things like bundles that are carrying over to the new the new annual catalogue. Do remember that if you want to get them now, you will pay only the bundle price, whereas if you order them after the catalogue goes live, you'll have to buy the stamps and the die or punch set separately, so you won't save the 10% that you would otherwise. Or if you order them now, you would save the 10%. Anyway, clearly my brain is not working, so it's time I should stop rambling. But I hope you liked that little sneak peek into some of what's coming. There is so much lovely stuff coming. I can't wait to get my hands on it. But thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Enjoy the rest of your Easter break. Bye!